This is awesome. This is so great. Oh my god.
I should probably start the video from here, huh?
Oh, if you want.
Welcome back to NewZeroland. I'm on an Ego+RS tricolore with carbon fiber wheels and Olin suspension, and I am following Jen on an SS9+RS, who is following Micah from Electric on a Rebelle RS. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Almost dying on the Alps.
No, no.
This is NewZeroland. So I'm sure by now you've heard about the new electric sport touring bike Energica unveiled called the Experia. It's a totally new bike from the ground up, and Energica was so excited about it that they set up a launch event to invite all the top motorcycle journalists in the world to come ride it. In Italy, in the Alps. How amazing does that sound? Well, who am I, right? I'm not a journalist, I'm just a fan of the brand and I make YouTube videos. But for some reason, Energica likes those videos. So when they asked if I wanted to fly over to Italy with Jen to take part in this launch event, to ride the new Experia, to get a tour of the factory, basically go on the coolest trip ever, our response was, ooh-wee! So come along for the electric motorcycle trip of a lifetime. Hey, welcome back to NewZeroland, and welcome to the Alps. We're here to ride a whole bunch of Energicas today around the Dolomites. How cool is that? I don't even know what's going on. So, enjoy. Hello, hello.
You see that bike, the Ego+RS, that I know that you liked it before.
Oh yeah.
It's a kit with not just with the Olins, but it has the carbon fiber rims.
Carbon fiber rims.
Sir.
Wow, that's fancy. So I should ride this?
I'm asking.
It's
like
yeah.
it.
Oh, definitely.
For
absolutely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Static.
Okay. Yep. Definitely. Yes. Thanks. Oh yeah. Wow. It's beautiful. It's my favorite. Oh yeah. Oh, it's the best of all of them. So yeah. Can't say no. Wow, it feels different.
Is it lighter than the previous one?
It feels way lighter. Yeah, noticeably.
You see that is, the new battery makes it lighter. The motor, the MC, make it lighter.
Yeah.
And then there is also the carbon fiber rims that gives you mostly better handling when you're riding, because it's a gyroscopic effect and blah blah. So hopefully you feel evolution.
Yeah. Do you think the wheels are worth it?
Oh yes, way more than what you think.
Oh yeah, okay.
Of course, let's say this. You have to be quite aggressive in order to feel it. So
only at the racetrack.
Kind of here, but here use it.
Oh yeah, okay.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, cool. Awesome. Wow, this bike feels totally different. Yeah, so much lighter. This Olin suspension is really good too. It's really bumpy on this road, but it feels smooth.
Unlike the Evas at the track?
Yeah, true. So our Evas, we need to adjust the suspension because I guess the rebounds, whoa, that's tight. Wow, these mountains. I keep getting so distracted. It's like, talk about the bikes. No, talk about the scenery. Where are we? Oh my god, this is amazing. But yeah, our suspension is pretty bouncy. I think it's just set up that way from the factory. I think most bikes are just set up really soft to make it more comfortable on bumpy roads. But the Olins are just dialed in perfectly. Wow, that mountain.
Whoa.
So Jen is on an Energica. Let me start that over. Jen is on an Energica SS9+RS which is the Cafe Racer style, but with the biggest battery and the most power of that model. And I am on the Energica Ego+RS, best of the best, carbon fiber wheels, Olin suspension, huh?
In tricolor.
Yeah, tricolore, with the Italian flag. And I have to say, compared to my old Ego, this is freaking insane. It feels so much more nimble and powerful. Oh my god.
Going a handy on the outside. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, like everything. Between riding and the views. I don't think if we lived in Italy, I wouldn't work. I would just be like, all right, it's riding day.
What day is it today? Thursday? So all these people when are they? They're not going to work or something? What are they doing? Just riding?
It's 10. They probably don't start working until noon.
Wow. What a life. Wow. It does feel weird riding on the right side of the road again.
Oh, I go wave people on the left side. Oh. Sorry.
It's the little things. What's up? Hello, hello. Hello. Hi. Hi to you too. Hello there, biker friends. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Ah, what a place. And to see this place on electric motorcycles is just the next level. So we've talked about this for years, about doing this at least, like coming to the Alps, renting motorcycles, going on a tour or something, like booking a tour. But to ride electric bikes through the Alps, like in an Energica event, this is just a dream come true. We're only in Italy for 2 days, 2 full days. It took us 2 days to get here. And we're spending more time traveling than we were actually in Italy. But yeah, I'm gonna make like 10 videos out of this 2 days. Okay, not 10 videos, but as many as possible. Wow. These views, just nuts. We need to put a little wow counter on the screen. See how many times we say wow. So what are your thoughts so far on the SS9?
Oh, I was going to talk about it earlier. It rides like the Zero.
Really?
Yeah, it's like the same position.
Oh yeah.
Similar sounds.
Taller bars.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, taller bars than the Rebelle. Oh, cool little village. Yeah. Feels like we're in the Alps. Hey, hello friends. Wow, that view. Wow. I just want to look up, not on the actual road. Wow, what the hell is this?
They did say there was going to be road.
This is just full on dirt.
Oh wow, oh no, I'm scared, I think I chose right. Picking the SS9 versus the...
Yeah, I chose wrong. Carbon fiber wheels. Race bike. Yeah, the most expensive, fancy Energica in the world.
How many Ks are on it?
Yeah, I'm not even gonna look down.
I got 2,300.
Oh, okay, that was an experience. I have 151 kilometers on this bike.
Oh my god!
Taking it off road. Wow, okay, let's not do that again. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, this one's tight. Go way out, cut way in, and go really slow. Woohoo! In front of us we have Micah of Electrek, a super famous motorcycle journalist and, well, EV journalist, I guess. Also YouTuber. I wonder what Micah rides.
Yeah,
I want to say he has an FX.
He said the Eva, or the Ego is not his style.
The Ego?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Not really mine anymore either. There was a time when I was young and naive, 2 years ago. I love how Stefano comes by, he's like, Sam, you've ridden the Rebelle before, you own one. You should ride this one. It has carbon fiber wheels.
Yeah, that's what he told me about that. I was like, oh my god, Sam's gonna love this.
Nice. Yeah, that guy. So awesome. Yeah. Wow. I don't think he realizes, like, how much of a dream come true this is for us.
He's like, oh, thanks for coming out. I'm like, oh my god, thank you.
Yeah.
I was like, I just feel like I'm a kid who won the trip to Disneyland.
Right? What a cool place. I can't believe we've been riding so long. I only have 81% now. Or I'm only down to that. Starting to get the hang of this thing. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad. I still definitely prefer the Rebelle though, just the riding style. Higher bars, wider bars. For roads like this, I think the Rebelle is the choice. So originally, you know, when they were talking about this trip in the Alps and stuff, I was thinking, oh yeah, they'll probably just do a route that's exactly the range of the new bike, or you know what the bike can do without charging or needing to stop for a charge. Because I was thinking, like, yeah, where are the charging stations up here, all the way out in the mountains, right? So I went on PlugShare, and there are charging stations everywhere.
Oh wow!
Like every, I don't know, 20 k's or something. Hey, it's insane, and they're all DC fast charging.
That's better.
So at this point, my Senna's battery was dead, our SD cards were full, and I suddenly wanted to spend a lot of money upgrading my suspension and wheels. That's how they get you. Hey, come over to Italy, ride the best bikes in the world. This one has carbon fiber rims. I see your tricks. But this first ride was just a teaser for what was coming up next. The main event. I know you're all excited to see what riding the Experia was like, but I'm still editing that video, so I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to wait. Or if you're watching this in the future, go check out my Experia test ride video that I already finished. Spoiler, the bike was amazing. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.